Matthew. Happy birthday, Matthew. Happy birthday, Matthew. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Matthew. Happy birthday, Matthew. Happy birthday, Matthew. Smile. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Matthew. Happy birthday, Matthew. Happy birthday, Matthew. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Matthew. Yay! Tagamin ang sombrero at magpalakpakan kay Matthew. Happy birthday, Matthew!
Happy birthday.
Say happy birthday, Matthew. Aya, you say happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Matthew.
Happy birthday to you.
Okay, everybody will dance. And ready. Pagandaan ng smile. Smile. And stop. And dance. And stop.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Matthew. And stop. And dance. And stop. And dance. And say happy birthday, Matthew. Bye-bye. Bye. Ingat kayo dyan nila Ninang Abel. Saka ni Nung Jonathan, saka nila Nanay. Saka nila Tita Cora. Diba? Si Nenet. Saka si Tita Ara, si Ate Ara. Sino pa? Sila si Tess. Saka sila. Lahat kayo dyan. Ingat kayo. Saka ni Tita Rina. Saka ni Sir. Lahat kayo. Okay, ready? Shout happy birthday, Matthew 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy birthday!